Sierra Chart versus Jigsaw Trading. Which order flow platform wins? Choosing the right order flow platform can transform your trading precision without overwhelming complexity. We will look at Sierra Chart and Jigsaw Trading to see which suits your style best. Sierra Chart and Jigsaw Trading are both powerful order flow platforms designed for traders seeking deeper market insight. The core difference lies in Sierra Chart's comprehensive data flexibility versus Jigsaw's specialized focus on order flow visualization and ease of use. Sierra Chart is a highly customizable trading platform known for its advanced charting and extensive support for order flow analysis. It works by integrating real-time market data with a wide range of technical tools, including footprint charts, volume profiles, and market depth. Traders can tailor nearly every aspect of the interface and data feeds to fit their strategies. Its strengths include robust backtesting capabilities and compatibility with multiple data providers, making it ideal for serious traders who want detailed control and flexibility. However, this depth comes with a steeper learning curve, and the interface can feel overwhelming for beginners. Sierra Chart requires some setup and familiarity with trading concepts, which may not suit those looking for an out-of-the-box solution. Overall, it's best for experienced traders or those willing to invest time mastering a powerful platform. More details can be found at sierrachart.com. Jigsaw Trading focuses exclusively on order flow tools designed to simplify market reading. It provides intuitive features like depth and sales windows, reconstructed tape and footprint charts that highlight real-time supply and demand dynamics. The platform works by aggregating and visualizing order book data to help traders identify key price levels and liquidity shifts. Jigsaw's strength lies in its user-friendly design and targeted functionality, which allows traders to quickly grasp order flow concepts without unnecessary distractions. While it offers fewer customization options compared to Sierra Chart, this streamlined approach benefits traders who prioritize clarity and speed over extensive technical features. Limitations include less support for other chart types and fewer integrated tools, making it less suitable for traders who want an all-in-one platform. Jigsaw Trading is ideal for order flow focused traders seeking a straightforward, effective tool to improve execution and market timing. Visit jigsawtrading.com for more. Comparing Sierra Chart and Jigsaw Trading highlights a trade-off between depth and simplicity. Sierra Chart excels in customization, supporting multiple data feeds and a wide array of technical indicators, which suits traders who want full control over their analysis. In contrast, Jigsaw Trading offers a cleaner, more focused experience with specialized order flow tools that reduce clutter and speed up decision-making. For example, a futures trader who needs comprehensive backtesting in multiple chart types may prefer Sierra Chart, while a day trader focused solely on order flow might benefit from Jigsaw's clarity and ease of use. Sierra Chart's complexity can slow down new users, whereas Jigsaw's limited scope might frustrate traders seeking broader market analysis. Both platforms deliver real-time order flow data but serve different user priorities. Choose Sierra Chart if you want a fully customizable platform with extensive data support and advanced features for comprehensive order flow and market analysis. Options are Chart's charting if you prefer a streamlined, user-friendly order flow platform focused on clarity and quick market reading. Both platforms excel in their niches, so pick the one that aligns best with your trading style and goals.